Hi, Hao Tuck here. So today I'm going to share with you 7 tips for ukulele beginner player. So tips number 1, how to pick the suitable ukulele for you. Basically, ukulele have 3 size. First one is soprano, 21 inches, concert 23 inches, and tenor 26 inches. Mine here is 26 tenor. For me, I prefer tenor because it's the largest one, okay, and I think that a lot of professional they're using this, so I want to act like a professional, so I use tenor. No lah. So basically, soprano is more suitable for kids because it's 21 inches, so it's very small. Okay, so for kids they are more suitable for them, and for adult like us, we are more to go to concert or tenor. Okay, so you can first you have to pick the right size for you, then you can choose the types of wood. Something like for mine this one, okay, I bought from Taobao. Okay, this one is made from koa. Okay, if not mistaken, it's Hawaiian koa. Okay, so basically there are variety of woods like koa, maple, mahogany, or spruce, or sometimes have bamboo as well. So you can choose the types of wood and size of ukulele, and of course there are also different type of string. Like the most common one, okay, for entry one, normally they using Aquila from Italy. Then for more premium one, if not mistaken, they are using Didario, or sometimes they are using Anonua. Okay, these brands have a slightly different string sound. Okay, but first of all, we have to know that what budget we have, and I will strongly recommend that you can buy a ukulele at least $100 Malaysian ringgit and above. Why? It's easy because if you buy the ukulele that under 100 ringgit normally, the quality is not that good, or they are made from plastic. You know, plastic majority lah, their sound not so good, and when you want to tune the string, okay, to ensure that every string is on the right tune, okay, sometimes plastic ukulele you can't even tune the sound. Yeah, so I strongly recommend, if you have some budget, just go for 100 and above, and you just pick the type of ukulele, the size first, okay, budget, then your size, then after size you go for which kind of sound you prefer. I live in BJ, so the nearest store is in 1U. They have one store called Shaka. You can try a lot of ukulele there. They are selling from beginner to intermediate. They have a few advanced ukulele, but for beginner we just choose for the beginner one. Okay, so after this, then you go for the wood. Then yeah, so first tips. Okay, then second tip is you choose a bag that have more protective. I show you an example. For example, I have 2 bags that I'm going to show. This one is the first one. Okay, you can see, although this is a ukulele bag, but this bag does not protect anyway. Why? Because you see, it's so, it's so soft, and the sponge here like don't even have sponge. So when you put your ukulele inside, okay, it's like just for the, just inside the bag, but this kind of gig bag does not protect anything. A more appropriate one would be like this. Okay, this bag. Okay, you can see there's a lot of foam. Okay, here is very thick, and also you have a neck protective cover here. So this kind of gig bag, I will recommend for those who like using a good ukulele, right? Use this kind of bag so that your ukulele can be protected very well. Okay, let's move on to tips number 3. Tune. After we have our ukulele, then first of all we have to tune the ukulele. So basically this is a tuner, okay, and okay, I use another ukulele. Okay, this one is ukulele that I bought from Shaka, just like I mentioned in one yeah, I bought from them. So but I changed this string to low G string. So normally when we buy the string is high G, so high G then C, E, A is low one. But this one I changed to low G. So low G ukulele is more, if you like to do a lot of strumming, you can go for low G ukulele. The sound will be more bass, so it's like nicer for me. I prefer. Okay, yeah. So before we play ukulele, we must tune the string first. Okay. So basically, like if you tune the string, if this tuner show green in color, it means that yeah, the sound is okay. Then you can move to another string. Okay, just ensure that every string is fine tuned. Then you only play the ukulele. If not, the sound is very not normal lah. Okay, so if you don't have a tuner, it's okay. You can just download from Google or Apple Store. It's free. Normally it's free. Okay, so after you tune, then we want to start to play ukulele. And how to hold this ukulele. So tips number 4, how to hold this ukulele. Normally we use this hand. Okay, we will like hold here. Okay, then our hand will like strum. Okay, so this is how we hold ukulele. Okay, for beginner, get like like this. So if you feel that it's not so comfortable, you can go to get a string. See, go to get a string. It depends on where you want to tie lah. So here you can drill a hole. Okay, put in here. Then sometimes some people prefer to put in head. Then sometimes people prefer to put here. Okay, so it depends on everyone's preference lah. Okay, then I just use this. This one is high G. You can see the huge difference. Okay, so after you know how to hold, then I would like to like explain. Normally, if you play ukulele, we have 2 type of style. One is strumming, or one is picking. So this is picking. So today I will teach you 4 chords, 4 very basic chords. First one is C major. Okay, later I will show. There's a picture beside. Okay, C major, G, A minor, and F. These 4 chords are the very common chords and is used for a lot of songs. So if you know 4 of these chords, you can start to play a sing-along song. Okay, yep. So tips number 5, this chord C, G, A minor, and F. Next, if you know all these chords, how to strum. So tips number 6, how to strum. The very basic one. Okay, for beginner, remember, this is my right hand. Okay, we will use our thumb or our index finger. If we use our thumb, we just strum like this, up to down. Okay, down. Or we can use our index finger like this. what's the main difference? If you use our thumb, the sound will be more mellow a bit. Okay, if you use our finger, because we are using our nail, so the sound will be very bright. You see? Here, mellow sedikit, soft a bit. So very basic strumming pattern. Down 4 times. Down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. Yeah. Okay. So if you think this is too easy for you, alright, I will teach you another one. More advanced one. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Okay? Once again. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, I play C, G, A minor, and F with the down, down, up pattern. Yeah, so it's very easy. If you practice more, then it will be very like muscle memory, then you can play. So okay, so this one is just now I mentioned this is basic ukulele that using high G string. I can demonstrate a low G ukulele for you. You can just compare the sound while doing strumming. This one have more bass. See? Okay, you can feel boom. Yeah, so that's the main difference when you are using different string. So this one is tips number 6, and last but not least, tips number 7. So I believe that playing ukulele or playing other instrument, we need to practice every day. So tips number 7 is we need to practice every day at least 5 to 10 minutes, okay, to make it as a habit. Okay, so by practicing, then we can like get used to it, this ukulele. Then we can play a lot of song. Okay, we will get, throughout like a few months, we will be very good at playing ukulele. Okay, and we can like set a goal. Like for me, I want to play. I prefer to play more on playing songs. Okay, I don't sing at all, so I prefer playing all the like some songs like Pink Panther. Yeah, something like this. Okay, I don't sing that I'm playing. I prefer to use finger picking. So you can set a goal, then you can follow your target, then go for it. Some people prefer to sing, so you can practice chords. And I wanted to share some of the method to train your fingers. Okay, for me, I will like play the ladder as a practice. Okay, like this. So this I call it the ladder practice. So I will just climb, okay, practice my fingers, okay, and of course you need some strength to hold this, to press the string. So this is also a kind of way to train your fingers. First, to train, you can like press accurately, and of course train your finger muscle. So I will like practice this using metronome. Why we need a metronome? I will highly recommend, at least you can download the app, it's free. Okay, using metronome, because they have it's like beat per second, you can like tune yourself. Some songs like romantic should be very slow, the tempo should be very slow, or some very fast song, like maybe rock song, will be faster a bit. So by using metronome, you can follow the beat and you can practice the song. Yep. Yeah. So that's all for the 7 tips. I hope you like my video, and remember to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.